In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change login name on Adobe Acrobat. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat and go to your Adobe Acrobat homepage. This is the main landing area where you can access your files, tools, and account options. Make sure you're signed into the correct Adobe account before making any changes, since the name you update will apply to that account profile. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where Adobe keeps your personal account settings and account-related shortcuts. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. It's usually tucked inside this profile menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage Account. This will take you out of the Acrobat home area and into your Adobe account settings page, where you can make changes to your personal profile information. Depending on your browser or connection speed, this page may take a moment to load. When the account page opens, find and click Edit Profile. This section lets you update the details associated with your Adobe account. It's the place where Adobe stores the profile information that can appear across Adobe services. Next, in the Public Profile section, look for Profile Name and click Change next to it. This is the setting you'll use to update the name connected to your account. If you're changing your display identity for consistency or correcting a spelling issue, this is the right place to do it. After that, click into the first name and last name fields and enter the new name you want to use. Take a moment to check the spelling carefully before saving, especially if you want your profile to appear professional and accurate across Adobe products. If you're updating this for work purposes, it's also a good idea to match the name format your organization uses. Once you've made the changes, click Save. Adobe should then apply the update to your account profile. In some cases, the change may appear right away, while in others, it may take a short time to fully refresh across all Adobe services. If you don't see the updated name immediately, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in again. That can help sync the change more quickly. And that's it. That's how to change your login name on Adobe Acrobat. Following these steps will help you update your account profile quickly and keep your Adobe information accurate and up to date.